61A Lecture Number 20. Announcements. The ANTS project is due Thursday. Earn an early submission bonus point by turning it in today. Yes, you need to finish the extra credit when you submit. You can't earn the early submission bonus point today and then do the extra credit tomorrow without losing the early submission bonus point. Homework 6 is due tomorrow. Midterm 2 is next week. Next Thursday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. It covers material through this week. Some more details will be announced during Friday's lecture. We will not have lecture on Wednesday of next week to give you some time back to prepare for the midterm or whatever else you want to do. We also will not have discussion section next week because it overlaps with the midterm, although some of the TAs will probably use their discussion time to do various forms of review.